Hey, what's up dropshippers? Welcome back to another video. I'm really excited about this video because I'm going to share something that you will absolutely love. This is going to solve one of the biggest problems in dropshipping, which is finding the best winning product. This part of dropshipping includes the most headache. I mean, we can go on for hours and hours for searching for the best product that we can sell in our dropshipping store, but still at the end we find something that we are not satisfied with. Or sometimes it really happens that we find something that we think will work for sure, but after creating the product page, our website and everything around that product, we realize that this is not going to work as expected. At that time we are really frustrated. And we are again at the beginning of the cycle. So to solve this problem, I have found this amazing website that is going to cut your ass of headache. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to walk you through the whole website step by step and tell you everything in detail. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Dheeraj, and on this channel I love to make videos about e-commerce and dropshipping, and from this video on I'm starting a $200 giveaway for every video. To enter this giveaway, you just need to like this video, hit the subscribe button and comment the secret code that will appear somewhere in between the video and along with the reason why you want this money. I'll announce the winner of this video in the next video. For people who are absolutely new in dropshipping, I have some affiliate links in description because as a new dropshipper, we are always confused about which are the best and the cheapest solutions to our problems, like finding the best winning products, getting video ad creatives, creating a good Shopify store, and a lot more. So to help you guys with that, I collab with my favorite brands and try to get you some crazy discounts. So you can check out those links in the description if you want. Now let's dive straight into our today's topic. So the website that I'm going to show you today to find the best winning products is PiPiads. It is literally one of the best websites that I have ever used to find the winning products. And I'm going to show you right now how you can do it too. And the way I found this website is really interesting because I didn't even know that there is some product research tool named PiPiads until one of my students told me about this. So I was on a mentorship call with one of my students in Spain and he asked me if I could provide him with some discount code for PiPiads. Then I used and tested this website for about a week and I was really happy with all the features and details that they have provided for every product. Then I reached out their team and asked them if they can provide me with some discount for my students and all my viewers. And finally they agreed to give you all a flat 20% discount if you use the code DD20 while checking out using the link in the description. And this 20% will save you a flat $31, which is a great discount, I think. And if you want me to tell you how to do it step by step, just stick till the end of this video. So once you have created your account, this is the dashboard that you will see. You are seeing this VIP mark because I have already purchased the VIP program, about which I'll talk in some minutes when we'll discuss about the pricing. So this is the first page that you will see where you can customize your product research according to your own interest. I mean, you can search for everything specifically. For example, if you want to search ads with any specific keyword, let's say 50% off, you just need to click on this, please enter any ad keyword and type 50% off. And boom, every single ad that has this specific keyword will appear on your screen. And not only ad keyword, you can sort out the products on the basis of the ad text, advertiser name, and even landing page, which is really amazing. And this is just the beginning. Believe me, there are tons and tons of features in this website that you are going to love because when I saw them for the first time by myself, I was really amazed. And yes, my most favorite feature is yet to come. So wait for that. Besides the specific keyword research, we can also sort the products on the basis of their categories, their country and region like the United States and Germany, action bar like shop now and order now, e-com platforms like Shopify and WordPress, ad type like branded and non-branded, landing page, ranges for ad impressions, total likes, popularity, days, like percentage, and a lot more. Now let's see the specific metrics that I personally use to find the best winning products on this page. So first of all, in the categories, I keep it as all. The countries that I mostly target are the United States, Germany, France, Canada, United Kingdom, Brazil, and Netherlands. For action button, I prefer shop now and order now. For e-com platform, I keep it as select all. For total likes, I keep it from 1000 to 1 million. For ad type, of course, always non-branded ads. For landing page, I keep it as it is, which means both of them. For ad impressions, I keep it 10,000 plus. For total likes, I keep it 500 plus. Popularity, I always prefer more than 100. Days, I always keep it as 0, which means I also want to see the brand new ads. For the like ratio, I keep it at 1% plus. For the first scene and the last scene, I keep it as 3 months for both. If you want to exclude any specific results, you can also do that. So after selecting everything, these are the final results that we got. And as you can see, every single one of them is a winner. Every single one of them. This one, and that one. Now, if I want to see any of them in detail, I just need to click on the product and the window will pop up. And yes, these are not the complete details. These are just the basic information. If you want to see all details, you just need to click on this orange button written as details. Then it will open a new window like this. I will come to that in a minute. Coming back to the small window, you can copy this ad text. You can click on this collect button if you want to save the product for later. Then there are the number of comments and shares on this video ad on TikTok, and here are the links for the TikTok post and the landing page. That means the competitor's website. And one of the best features that I like about this product research tool is that we can scroll through the product from the small window only while seeing all the basic and important information at a glance, which helps us to decide our winning products quicker. And finally, at the end, besides the detail button, there are 3 more buttons that are download, view advertiser, and block this advertiser. With the download button, you can simply download this video ad on your device. The view advertiser button that I use a lot shows you all the information about the advertiser, like all the video ads that they have published and which one is working the best for them. And I really love this unique feature because this saves me a lot of money, as I can see which one of the ads is working and which one are not working, due to which I do not have to test a lot of different ad sets because I already know which type of ad for this product is working. So I will only work on those types of videos. And not only the video ads, I can also see the text which works for them the best. So I can also copy their text or simply create something similar. This feature is really amazing, which helps you beat your competition as you already know all their analytics. And now let's see the page that I love the most on their website, the winning product page. On the prior page, we needed to customize everything to find the winning products, but on this page, it is already done for us by PiPiads. Here we do not have to filter out the products by ourselves because all of these products are winners. So most of the time when I want to find a winning product, I just come to this page and look for it. I can find new winning products every single day, as they add 2 to 3 new winning products every day. As you can see the dates on them, 15 March, 15, 14, 14, 13 and so on. You can just keep on scrolling and scrolling, but the products won't end. Besides the winning product, we have this advertiser page which I already showed you. You can search for specific advertisers as well here. Next we have this Etsy product page. So if you have an Etsy store, this website is going to be a heaven for you. Then we have this collection page where you will see all the products that you have collected or saved. For example, I saved this product so I can see it here. And yes, one more different and amazing feature that this website has is that we can create different collections and then save the product according to that. In most other product research tools, we can only save all the products under one category, but here you can create different collections. As you can see here, I have saved this product under the women wear collection. Similarly, you can create different collections or groups for all your saved products. Now coming to the pricing section, there are mainly 2 plans for dropshippers like us, which are VIP and Pro. Generally, you pay $155 for the monthly VIP plan, but if you sign up using the link in the description, you will get a flat $31 discount as you are my viewer. Let me show you how. First of all, you just need to click on this try for $1, which will take you to this page, where in the coupon code section, you need to write DD20, click on apply coupon, and boom, congratulations, the coupon code is valid. Click on confirm and you get a flat $31 discount. Now your total cost is $124, which you will only pay once you have used a 3-day trial, which you can get for only $1. So I will recommend you to first use this for 3 days, and then if you like it, pay the $124, because believe me, it is going to be worth way more than that for your business. You can do the same for the Pro plan, where you will save $53 with my coupon code, and if you will choose the yearly plan, you will get 3 months for absolutely free, and additionally you will also get a flat $279 and $433 discount for VIP and Pro plan respectively. So you can choose according to your needs. If you are watching this video so far, that means the content was really helpful and useful for you. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.